Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and today I have here a video for you from the hotel that I have on a bucket list for some years already. I'm so happy, I just have to smile. I even don't know what to say. Well, maybe I should start from for whom is this video. It's actually for everyone who would like to travel Slovakia, who would like to, you know, stay on this kind of amazing place. I think it's very worth to experience it. It's a Hotel Sliezsky Dome. It's a 4-star hotel. It's the highest situated hotel in Slovakia under the highest mountain that is called Gerlachovský štít in Hight Tatras, or in Slovak, Vysoke Tatry. This video is part of it's associated to another video that I'm doing. I'm riding around Slovakia, around my beautiful country with TheBeast, with the motorbike that I do love. And if you like to see the area around, click the link right over here. It's Riding Around Slovakia Part 3. Or it will be popping up at the end of this video, so wait for it. Now, what you will find out in today's video, well, it's a typical review. So we will go inside, I will show you the room, I will show you the brekkie, we have booked dinner, we will go to the wellness. We will not do a fitness because we will be walking around, so no gym today. I have paid for the stay, so this is an honest review, so pros and cons of this hotel if there are any. I think this is pretty much it. So, by the way, one thing, in case you are not a subscriber, in case you like traveling videos, in case you like motorbike videos, in case you like hotel reviews, hit the subscribe button, have the notifications on, because every time I make a video, you will be notified, you will be informed. Now, enough of this, let's get started. Can you imagine that I will wake up tomorrow in the morning and I will have that view? Can't wait for that. But anyway, so first thing first, how you will get here. Actually, there is a parking lot at the Hotel Sliezsky Dome. All you need to do is ask them to get actually the permit so you can ride here with your car or motorbike. This is a national park, really protected area, so not a lot of cars are allowed to come here. In case there is no free space, or in case you don't want to drive here for some reason, they will come to pick you up. All you need to do is just agree on date and time. It's not a problem. Same goes in case you would like to go down to the valley. There is something like a shuttle bus, and they are more than happy. This is a 4-star hotel, so they are very friendly, they speak English, so that's not a problem. They will take you down, they will pick you up and take you back to the hotel. Welcome to a standard room. It's not big. That's one thing I had to mention. All you see is basically this. TV also, just a small TV, but we didn't even use it. That's fine. What I like is definitely the view. Yeah, the windows are not super big. It's just because this hotel has been rebuilt from the old building from 60s or 70s, and they need to keep it. In terms of bathroom, again, nothing like super special, whatever, but everything is clean, everything is new. You have nice shower and toilet and everything. So yeah, in terms of room, very standard but clean and actually very comfortable. Oh yeah, maybe one negative thing, it's because of me being vlogger and I need a lot of stuff to be charged, like drones and, you know, cameras and stuff, and there are not a lot of plugins in the room, so I'm using the ones in a bathroom, but that's the only minus that I have so far noticed. Guys, this is just unbelievable. We have spent in the Hotel Sliezsky Dome 3 days, 3 beautiful days. We have spent 3 beautiful days in this area, in a Hight Tatras, on the Gerlachovský štít. And what are the pros, what are the cons, and what is the MartinTheVlogger score? I don't know. The hotel is not only about the hotel, it's about the area here. Look, like you wake up in the morning and you see this, and all you need to pray is to have a beautiful weather like we do, or we did. It's just amazing. Some comments to the hotel itself. You have to understand that the hotel was built in 1960, late 1960s, beginning of 1970s, and it has been rebuilt. But this is a national park, really like top protected area in Slovakia, so they cannot really rebuild it from the scratch. So the hotel is a little bit compact, it's not big, the rooms are not super large, the wellness is smaller, it has jacuzzi, it has rest area, it has good saunas, but yeah, you have to understand it's a little bit smaller. Also the breakfast, they are not super rich because the area where you can pick up the food, it's a little bit smaller. But otherwise, I mean, there is not really a negativity. Like, you got the feeling that you are living in a cottage that was here almost from beginning of 1910 or something like that. So yeah, that's exactly the place where the old house or old cottage was built. And then again, I mean, like I told you this 100 times already, this area here, I've been to many places, but I love Slovakia, and this is just amazing. I was right with my bucket list, I was right with this item, I was right with this hotel. It was so amazing, I cannot stop smiling. It's just absolutely awesome. MartinTheVlogger score, well, if I really have to talk about the hotel, I will put very good 8.5 points out of 10, only because it's smaller, but that's all fine. Guys, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like to see a little bit more from Slovakia, how beautiful areas we have a look at the videos at the end screen. There are several of them riding around Slovakia with MartinTheVlogger, with TheBeast. Thank you, and remember, always have fun!